What is up, guys? It's your boy Falcon back again, and today we're gonna be working on this Honda Accord with a 2.4 liter engine, but this engine also gonna come on some CRVs, Honda Civics. So if you have this 2.4 liter engine on your Honda, this is how you replace the spark plugs. To begin, we need to take off these 5 10mm bolts that covers the coil packs, or I don't know if this is called a dust shield or something like that, but basically just 5 bolts. We're gonna remove this out of the way. Once we remove it out of the way, I like to get all my bolts in one place, and then I'm gonna grab some compressed air or air, and I'm just gonna blow all the dust, all whatever trash we have around here, to make sure that whenever I take out the coils or the spark plugs, nothing falls into that cylinder head. Alright, after that, let's kind of loosen up the harness. Make sure that it has like 2 clips behind each spark plug. There it goes. We're gonna pull it off right there. And then we're gonna take off each connector on each of the coils. Just press the little tab and pull it back. Like I said, 4 connectors, 4 coils, because it's a 4-cylinder. Now, depending on the age of this Honda or your Honda, some of these connectors might break whenever you press on the tab. There's really not much you can do to that. It's just some of them, with the heat and the coldness of the head, it'll happen. Next, you take out the 4 10mm bolts. You're gonna hold your coils. Once again, get some air in there. We're gonna remove the coils. I like to put the coils back in the same spot that I took it off from. So whenever I take them off, I kind of put them in order. That way, whenever I'm done, I put them back exactly where they went. Then, with a 9/16 spark plug socket, we're gonna take out the spark plugs. This is a little bit skinnier spark plug socket than the usual, your normal. I believe the normal is like a 5/8. This 9/16 is usually used for the 5.4 liter 5.4 Ford engines, but it is also used on this Honda right here. So here, what I'm doing, I'm breaking all the spark plugs loose, and then I'm gonna come back with the power tool and actually just take them off. It's just easier for me to just break them loose real quick and then come back and take them off for this. Now, whenever you're taking out the spark plugs, you kind of want to check them one by one. Make sure that one of them is like smells like fuel or kind of burned funny or something like that. You can tell a lot about the spark plugs by looking at the spark plugs. Here is the spark plug that we're gonna be replacing it with. That is the part number, and this is the gap that it is called by initial for those spark plugs. Now, as far as the torque on which to put the spark plugs in, it's gonna be right here on screen, 13 foot-pounds. But I mean, that's just if you want to be thorough. But if you've done this before, you pretty much know. You can feel how tight they have to be. And then after that, we're gonna put our coils back on, put them back where they went. And like I said, I just like to do this because if I have a misfire or something like that, I can kind of like chase it down a little bit easier. I know I have all new plugs, so then I just go to the coils, knowing that I don't have to swap around the spark plugs. After we put on the 4 10mm bolts, we're gonna put our harness back on. Make sure that you put it through the clips on the actual harness. Clip the harness, the coil connectors to the coils. Make sure you kind of seat it securely, and then we come back and tighten up the 4 bolts for the coils, and then we put our cover. And within our cover, don't forget, you still have the 5 10mm bolts that are gonna hold our cover down, or dust shield, whatever we want to call it. Just like I said, just start them by hand, then come back with the power tool, whatever you have, or with the ratchet, and tighten everything down. And that is it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. As always, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell for me, share the channel. I will catch you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.